Good morning students. Welcome in this class. This video is for class 7th subject Social Science, as we are studying about Geography chapter 6 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. It is the second lecture of this chapter, and in today's lecture topics that to be discussed are: first one, grasslands, and in which we will discuss about different types of grassland. Okay, mainly two types of grassland. First, tropical grassland, temperate grassland, and next one, thorny bushes. But before starting today's lecture, first we will recapitulate our previous topics in brief. Yes, in yesterday lecture we have studied about that natural vegetation, the meaning of natural vegetation and types of vegetations. So first I will tell you about these topics in briefs. So first, natural vegetation means the vegetations which are grown in the nature themselves without any human interference or human aid. Okay, so these are known as natural vegetation, and which natural vegetation are classified into three main categories. First one, forests, second, grassland, and third one, thorny bushes. Okay, in yesterday topic we have studied about the forest and its types. Yes friends, forest is the large area of land which you can say which is covered with a large number of vegetations, means plants. Okay, and forests are of different types. First one, like tropical evergreen forest, second, tropical deciduous forest, next one, temperate evergreen forest, temperate deciduous forest, and coniferous forest. About all these forests we have studied in yesterday lecture. Tropical evergreen means the forests in which plants remain green throughout the year. They are found in hot and humid climate. The trees in these forests do not shed their leaves at the same time. And tropical deciduous forest, they are known as monsoon forest. Okay, they shed their leaves in a particular season. Okay, that's why they are known as monsoon forest. Temperate evergreen, they are found in the area, means temperate zone. Temperate zone means the area lies between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. And temperate deciduous forest, they are found on the high altitudes. Coniferous forest, yes, coniferous forest, they are mainly found on the hilly areas or in the, you can say, near the pole. Okay, and in this forest the trees leaves are of cone shaped, means needle shaped. Leaves are there, they have waxy surface. Okay, and they are found on the mountainous or hilly areas. And in today's lecture we will study about, or we will discuss about grasslands, meaning of grasslands and its types, and thorny bushes or tundra vegetations. So let's start today's discussion. First we will discuss about the grassland. Yes friends, grasslands. What do you mean by grasslands? Actually, a large open area of the country which is covered with grass, especially one used for grazing, that is known as grasslands. And these areas means this vegetation, grasslands, which have they are found in the areas which have moderate to low rainfall. Yes friends, in our yesterday topics we have studied that most of the forests are found in the areas which receive maximum rainfall, and as we go on the higher latitudes, means that towards the pole, okay, as we go away from the equator, you can see that the amount of rainfall decreases gradually. Okay, so in this way that the areas which receive moderate rainfall, moderate to low rainfall, they support vegetation in the form of grasses, means there no trees are found. Means trees are found but not in large amount. Okay, so the areas which have moderate to low rainfall, they are suitable for growing that grassland vegetations. Means grasslands are found there, and there are mainly two types of grasslands. Okay, beta, two types of grassland, in which first is there, that is tropical grasslands, and next one temperate grassland. Now we will study about these two types of grassland. First one is, okay, that is tropical grasslands. So what are tropical grasslands? Where they are found? Okay, actually these are the regions of tall grass on the outskirts of the equatorial belt, where the rainfall decreases gradually as one moves away from the equator. Means in the short, if we say that these occur or they are found on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. Okay, as I told you beta, means they are found in the areas of tall grasses, and where they are found? They are found at the outskirt means outer part of the equatorial belt. Okay, and from where Tropic of Cancer is started, and where the rainfall decreases gradually. As we know that the amount of rainfall that decreases gradually as we moves away from the equator. We discussed yesterday that on the equator hot and humid climate is found, which results more amount of rainfall, and more amount of rainfall means more humidity. But in that areas means temperate zone, okay, or means the areas in the tropical zone where there is less amount or moderate amount of rainfall occur. So grasslands are found in those areas. They are also refers to at the like savanna grassland. Okay, and that you can say this I told you, that means vegetation grows in the moderate to low amount of rainfall. Okay, and the grass can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height. Okay, and the example of this grassland like savanna grassland of Africa are this type. Okay, and in these you can say grasslands, the wildlife which are found, in which the main are there, common animals are there like elephants, zebras, giraffe, deer, leopards. Okay, means these are some common species of animals which are found in these tropical grasslands. Understood about it? And beta, these types of grassland are found in many other countries, like they are found in Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe in Africa. Okay, and if we talk about the other countries, they are found in northern Australia also, and in India where these types of grasslands are found. Yes, in India they are found in the Deccan Plateau. Okay, means the parts of the Deccan Plateau of India have these types of tropical grasslands. Understood about the tropical grassland? Again I am telling, means they are found on the area, or you can say the outskirt area of the that equatorial belt, and they are found in the area where there is low to, or you can say moderate rainfall. Okay, and they are also referred to the savanna grassland, and the main countries where these trees are, these forests are found, these are Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe. Okay, and in India these tropical grasslands are found in Deccan Plateau. Okay, and which animals are found there? Means this area, this region is rich in wildlife such as elephants, zebras, giraffe, deer and leopards. Okay, now we will discuss about the temperate grassland. Yes, temperate grasslands, these are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. Okay, yes, means temperate area. Yesterday also I told you about the torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Okay, so the temperate zone means the area which lies between the Tropic of Cancer, okay, Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle in northern hemisphere, Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Okay, and they are found in the internal parts of the continents. Okay, and usually grass here is short and nutritious. And the animals, the wildlife which are found here, these are buffaloes, bisons, antelopes, and means these are some common animals which are found in the temperate grasslands. Okay, and beta if we tell or give the example of that, this type of grassland, they are found in the North America, means in every continent, like they are known as the name of prairies grassland. Prairies are the example of temperate grassland. So these prairies grasslands are found in North America. Pampas in South America. Welsh grasslands are found in South Africa. And Downs, this is the name, Downs temperate grasslands are found in Australia. Okay, and now these grassland have now been, means you can say, converted into major wheat growing region of the world. Okay, means earlier only grasses were found there, but now due to the advanced technologies, okay, now these grasslands are converted into fields. And which types of that crops are grown there? Means they are, most of the grasslands are converted into wheat fields. Okay, means wheat crop is grown in this grassland in large amount. Got it? And prairies in North America, that is the, you can see, main example of the temperate grassland, and it is also known as the wheat basket of the world, as wheat is grown in large amount here. Okay, so now means we have discussed about the two types of grassland, tropical grassland and temperate grassland. So if it is asked that differentiate between tropical grassland and temperate grassland, the first difference you will tell about its location. Okay, means they are found in tropical zone and they are found in temperate zone. Okay, and the second you can say that in tropical grassland grasses are very tall, but in temperate zone grasses are not tall, they are short and nutritious also. Third difference you can tell about the wildlife. Okay, in that means tropical grassland, the wildlife which are found, these are elephants. Okay, mainly like the wild animals, elephants, zebras, giraffe. Okay, leopards. And in temperate grassland, which wildlife is found, buffaloes, bison and antelopes. Got it about? Yes. Now we will have a discussion on our next topic, that is thorny bushes. This is also known as desert, okay, desert vegetation. Thorny bushes. These are found in the dry area, means dry desert like regions, means the areas which receive very less rainfall. Means the less rainfall means you can see only 25 centimeter of rainfall annually, okay, are classified as desert. Okay, and here less or scanty, you can say, vegetations are found, and only deep rooted plants with waxy leaves survive in these types of areas. Okay, tropical deserts are located on the western margins of the continents. Yes friends, we have studied that temperate grassland is found in the central part of the continents, and on the western side of the continents, tropical deserts are found. Thorny bushes are found, desert vegetations are found. Okay, and the vegetation's cover is that scarce here because of scanty rain and scorching heat, means due to shortage of water and that scorching heat of the sun, that only few vegetations are found in these types of, you can say, areas or regions, means desert vegetations are found only in dry areas. And in these grasslands, or you can say in these areas, that what types of or which plants are found, means the plants have deep roots, deep rooted plants or waxy leaves plants only can survive it. Okay, so in the hot desert like cactus, thorny bushes, date palm, there are some common species of vegetations which are found there. And in the cold desert, yes beta, you must know about the desert. Actually desert is the area where there is no vegetation or very less vegetation. And deserts are of two types, cold desert and hot desert. Okay, hot desert like the area which is covered with loose sand, that is known as hot desert. And cold desert means the area which is covered with a thick ice sheet of ice. So beta, as we know that a suitable climate is required for the growth of plants. So the plants can't grow properly in the desert area, and they can't grow in that very cold climatic condition, means near the pole, north pole and south pole. Okay, so the area where there is no vegetations, okay, near the north pole, near the south pole, these are cold desert. Okay, and the area where there is very less rainfall, which is covered with loose sand, they are known as hot desert. Okay, and so in the hot desert, the plants which are found, they are cactus, thorny bushes and date palm. Okay, and in the cold desert, okay, there is only, you can say, coarse grass and scattered thorny bushes. Okay, and as we know that camel is the main animal of hot desert, and the other wildlife like foxes, lizard, snakes, they are other animals which are found in this forest. Got it? Yes. So now our next topic is there, that is tundra vegetation. What do you mean by tundra vegetation? Okay, actually students, the tundra region lies in the northern polar region. So first you must know about what is tundra. Actually that is a name given to the area which lies near the northern polar region. Okay, and where the temperature are extremely low. Okay, the area does not support any significant vegetation. Okay, only during the summer months, okay, when you can say the ice get melt, okay, and only in this summer season months, okay, flower, mosses and lichens appear when ice melts. Okay, understood? And in which you can say vegetation we have discussed. Now about the wildlife, if I tell about the wildlife, that means animals like you can see polar bear. Okay, that the polar bear or seals, reindeer, they are common you can see wildlife which are found in these areas. Okay, and here bird migrate to warmer region during the cold season. Got it friends? So beta, now in today's lecture we have discussed about the grassland. Okay, in which we have discussed two types of grassland, tropical grassland and temperate grassland. Next vegetation, that is desert vegetation or thorny bushes, and third one is tundra vegetation. Okay, so beta, like we have studied about the three vegetation. Forests are found in the areas which receive maximum rainfall. Grasslands are found where there is moderate to low rainfall. Okay, desert vegetation, thorny bushes are found where there is very less rainfall, and tundra vegetation is found in the very cold climatic areas. So understood about it? So in this way our you can say chapter number 6, natural vegetation and wildlife, is completed. Okay, so now I will assign you, I will give you some question answer which you have to solve in your fair notebook, and after writing the solution you have to submit your work to me on my email ID. Okay, so note down today's homework. In today's homework, first question is there, mention the uses of coniferous forest. Yesterday lecture we have discussed about this coniferous forest, so you have to tell about the features or uses of coniferous forest. Okay, question number 2, in which part of the world is seasonal grassland found? Okay, so for that beta, I want to tell you something, that before attempting these questions you have to go through the lecture, text chapter which are given in your NCERT book. You have to give a thoroughly reading of the chapter. Okay. So second question, in which part of the world is seasonal grassland found? Question 3. Differentiate between tropical evergreen and deciduous forest. Okay. Question 4th. What are the characteristics of tropical grasslands? So these 4 questions you have to solve. You have to write the answer of this question in your field notebook. Now we will have a discussion on the homework solution of lecture 1. Yes. In yesterday you can see lecture or homework, the first question which was given to you to solve, this is which are the 2 factors on which growth of vegetation mostly depends. Okay, so what is the answer? Answer is growth of vegetation depends on 2 factors, temperature and moisture. Okay, now second part, what are the 3 broad categories of natural vegetation? Yes, answer, natural vegetation is divided into 3 categories. First, forest, where rainfall and temperature are plentiful for plants growth. Second, grasslands, plants that grow in the region of moderate to low rainfall. And third one, shrubs, plants that grow in dry region. Understood? Yes. Now next question, question number 3 means third part, name the 2 hardwood trees commonly found in tropical evergreen forest. Our answer is 2 hardwood trees commonly found in tropical evergreen forest are rosewood and mahogany. Next question, yes, in which part of the world are tropical deciduous forest found? So answer is tropical deciduous forest, also known as monsoon forest, and where they are found? They are found in the regions that experience seasonal changes, and these are include India, Northern Australia and America. Okay students, now next question, that is question 5th part, means in which climatic condition are citrus fruits cultivated? Yesterday we studied about the Mediterranean Sea. So citrus fruits are grown in the region marked for hot, dry summer and mild rainy winter, and the citrus fruit involves oranges, figs, olives, grapes, and they are found near the Mediterranean Sea. Okay students, so in this way beta, our today's lecture is completed. Okay, tomorrow we will meet again with the summary lecture of this chapter. Thank you so much.